You know, Warren Buffett has a great saying that says, the change of habit are too light to be felt until they're too heavy to be broken. At this one point in my career, I was working with a very, very high-end boxer. This guy, he wanted to be the world champion. That was his goal. And you can use this example for pretty much any type of career. I've seen this exact same thing in corporate executives, actors, singers, professional athletes, entrepreneurs, really anybody who's trying to achieve very high levels of extraordinary success. Now this guy, this boxer, he was single focused. I mean, to become a world champion, to achieve extraordinary results in anything, you got to live it. Has to be your passion, has to be a whole lot more than just a dream or just something that you want to do or would like to achieve. This guy was living it. I mean, he was in it. Every day, 7 days a week, he was punching the bag, punching the bag, punching the bag. He was eating all the right foods, taking all the right supplements, surrounding himself with all the right coaches and mentors. I mean, he lived it. One day he was put in the right ring. He was boxing. He was bobbing, weaving. Everything that he wanted, everything he'd learned was just second nature to him. And wham! What happened? He hit the right guy in the right way, knocked him out. Well, this guy is now the champion of the world. He's the champion of the world. How many people get that opportunity? How many people achieve that kind of success? How many people really have the opportunity to achieve the dreams that they really want, to be able to live the lifestyle that they really want? But there's the point that most people never think about. And again, I don't care if you're talking a golden belt around your waist, or if you're talking that you get the big boy's chair in the CEO office, or you get that big role on the movie set, you get put on the right stage as a singer, or you sign those great big contracts as an entrepreneur. When you actually achieve that goal, that's when the real work starts. That's where it becomes completely different than you could ever imagine. Now, all of a sudden, this guy, this boxer, who is now the world champion, who's been living, dreaming, doing everything he can to achieve a goal, had no idea how to live that life once he did achieve it. Now this guy, all of a sudden, he's got friends that he never knew he had. He has relatives that he never knew he had. He's got sponsors. He's got management. He's got to be at all the right parties, all the right events, all the cool stuff that everybody thinks, hey, that's exactly what I want. I want to be one of the cool kids. Yeah, okay, fun, wonderful. But how do you maintain that eye of the tiger? Achieving the goal and maintaining it are two very different things. And this is what we see in the world all the time. These people, these one-hit wonders, one day they're a nobody, all of a sudden the next day they're globally known. A few days later, they're worse off than they were before. That's why drug addiction, alcohol addiction, depression, suicide. Well, why is this so prevalent? Why do we see it so much in people who have achieved so much? They seem to achieve everything that they ever wanted. They have life on the silver platter. They've got all the money, they've got all the toys, they've got all the jewelry, got the big houses, got the fancy cars, got the big watches. You look pretty cool. Well, looking pretty cool, feeling pretty cool are two very different things. Looking like you have it all and feeling like you have it all are two very different things. Like Jim Carrey always says, I wish everybody would win the lotto. I wish everybody would have all the money in the world and all the fame they ever think that they want, so that they could realize that is not what they want. And it's not so much that it's not what they want. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with achieving very high levels of extreme success or achieving very high levels of extraordinary results in whatever it is that you're doing. What are you giving up in order to achieve that? Are you losing your relationships? Are you losing the people that you love? Are you pushing away the people that love you? What type of a lifestyle are you working towards if you're losing who you are in the meantime? And who will you become if you do achieve that? This is my specialty. This is exactly what I love doing and what I've been helping my clients to achieve for the last 33 years. And that's what I'm inviting you to. I want to guide you through. I want to save you decades of hard work. And if you just let me, I will help you and support you to live the life you love in the body that you love to live in. I'll show you how to detox and cleanse your body, to eliminate chronic issues. I'll show you how to detox your home and your environments so that they're empowering you and supporting you to be the best version of you possible. I'll guide you through the strategies used by celebrities and professional sport athletes in fitness, showing you how to tone your body quickly, how to see rapid and consistent results with your body without ever stepping foot in a gym if you don't want to. We'll go through superfoods and eating great tasting foods that will ensure you avoid the crash and burn. Foods that empower your body, empower your mind, help you to maintain that clarity, that focus, that calmness. How to use stress in your life to empower you. How to be that person that you love to be so that you wake up every morning feeling awesome. To be able to live that life that you want to live. I'll guide and support you through using stress to your advantage. You'll be invited into my mastermind group where you'll do one of the most important things you'll ever do in your life. What is that? It's surround yourself with people who support and encourage you to be the best version of you possible. You want to surround yourself with people who see what your potential is, who know what your superpowers are, who help you develop those, who help you to evolve and to change and to become the person that you really want to be, rather than having to wear masks every day, to be somebody that you don't want to be, to live a life that you don't want to live. Surround yourself with people who will support you in achieving what you really want and being who you really want. Life is not a game. This is not a dress rehearsal. And this program that I've created is not a game for me either. This is my life. This is my passion. For 33 years I've been doing this, learning about this, honing my craft. And I want to share it with you. This is not another course. It's just going to give you more knowledge but no results. This is me sharing my passion, my knowledge, and the best information I have to truly support you, to guide you and mentor you to living the life you love in the body that you love to live in. I want you to write me a testimonial in a few months telling me how much your life has changed, how much better you feel, how much happier you are, how excited you are to wake up every morning. That's what I want to help you to achieve. It's about breaking your cycles and investing in yourself to create habits that really work in a very simple and efficient and functional way that you can maintain and you can do easily. You can't just hope and wait that your life is going to change. And this opportunity is your way to really live it. And I'm here to support you every step of the way. I'm super excited to meet you. As soon as you fill in your information, I've got these videos, very short, very easy, that's going to guide and direct you through living the life that you love in the body that you love to live in. So come on, I'll see you inside and I'll help you get started right now. All you got to do is just click below. Share your best contact details with me. I'm going to contact you. I'm going to welcome you in. I'm going to do whatever I can to support and guide you through this. This program is all about you. It's my passion to help you. So that's it. My name is Lenney. Thanks for sharing your time. Click the link below and join me. And I hope I can help you live the life that you love in the body that you love to live in.